Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set your ring light or tripod. So that's what you guys will be seeing on today's video. So this is the tripod. You can see my husband is helping me set it out, and I decided to film it for you guys. I already promised to set it and show you guys how we do set it up. Okay, so from setting the tripod, you bring it out from the carton, the packet, and start raising it to the height you want it to be. You can see that's what my husband is doing. Then after that, you bring out the ring light, yes, and fix it on the nuts. Try and make sure it's fixed in well, and lock it so it won't be dancing, or it won't fall, like it won't be steady. Yeah. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Yeah. The end. Got to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh, yeah. You don't really wanna know me. Hanging in the corner with a nose. Yeah. High on whatever they sold me. That's the old me, yeah. 6 years later trying to find me. Still trying to figure out the line piece. Looking for the love inside me. So after setting the tripod and the ring light, you set the phone holder. Yeah, you add the accessories together where it's supposed to be before fixing it on the tripod. So that's what you see my husband fixing now. He's going to fix the tripods, the three holders together, and then fix it on the tripod. Sometimes, don't know why I feel that way sometimes. Yeah. Think how we can set out on the weekend. Funny how I kinda like this life. Funny how I kinda like this life. I like this life. So after fixing the accessories, you take the phone holder and start fixing it on the ring light tripod. Yes, I have to off the lights so that you guys will see what I'm doing. Yeah, how to fix it in. You fix them one after the other. Make sure it's strong, make sure it's tight, make sure you tight it well so it won't fall your phone, or your phone would fall down unnecessarily. So make sure you tight it, make sure it's strong, make sure it's tight to the tripod. Okay. So after fixing the phone holders, you on it from this back. You can on it and off it from the back, or you can still use your remote. You can see the remote. I'm showing you guys the remote. The on and off button is there. You just on it. Yeah, anyway, I just stay there and on it, off it. Try and control it with the remote. You don't need to start getting up from your seat or your chair to go and off it, or change the lights which you desire to use. Okay, so this up one is to hide the light. Maybe you want the light to be more brighter. You take the up arrow. Yeah, you press the up arrow. Okay, then the down one is to dim the light. Then the city and the city minus, the city plus and the city minus is to change the other lights. You also see a selection. You also see a selection button there. Yeah, is to select the particular light, because it has three particular light, like three different lightning. Okay, so you select with the selection button the one you want. You can see me changing it with the selection button. Okay, when you get to the one you want to use, you can now leave it. Okay, and start filming your video. If you have not seen my unboxing video, yeah, check it out. I'm going to be linking it up here or at the end screen of this video for you to see it. So these two buttons, okay, this one that I'm showing you guys, it's still for the off and on. Okay, you can still off and on it to this one. Yeah, and the other one is to change the lights. Again, you can still change the light here. If you don't have your remote with you, can still change it from there with this one, this particular other one at the right. Okay, so if you enjoy watching this video, please kindly give it a massive thumbs up. Okay, comment on what you think about this tripod, and subscribe if you have not. Share me out, and I'm going to see you all on my next video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of your support. Okay, I love you guys, and I'm going to see you all on my next video. Bye.
With frost, cold night and the winter hot cold. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Yeah, the end. Got to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh, yeah. You don't really wanna know me. Hanging in the corner with a nosebleed. High on whatever they sold me. That's the